Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency President Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos Jr. Please be seated, everyone. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the groundbreaking ceremony of the Contract Package 104 of the Metro Manila Subway Project. We are witnessing the lowering of the time capsule being led by His Excellency President Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos Jr., being assisted by Japanese Ambassador His Excellency Koshikawa Kazuhiko, the Secretary of the Department of Transportation, Secretary Jaime Bautista, Presidential Management Staff Secretary Maria Zenaida Angping, Senator Grace Paul Liamanzares, Senator Joseph Victor Ejercito, Senator Mark Villar, Mayor Victor Maria Regis Soto, JICA Chief Representative Takame Sakamoto, Mr. Edgar Saavedra, Mr. Mesuhiro Terada, and Mr. Shiro Takiki. His Excellency is now holding the perspective plan of the soon-to-be Ortigas and Shaw Boulevard stations and a newspaper dated today. And now we are witnessing the lowering of the time capsule. Thank you, Mr. President. Now, kindly remove hard hat, return the shovel, Thank you very much. Now, kindly remove the hat, return the shovel, and wear the happy for the sake barrel ceremony. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we proceed to the main part of this event, the sake barrel ceremony for the contract package 104 of the Metro Manila Subway Project. Kagami Biraki is a ceremony performed at celebratory events in which the lid of the sake barrel is broken open by a wooden mallet, and the sake is served to everyone present. Kagami refers to the lid of the sake barrel and Biraki means to open. Let us now open the sake barrel in 3, 2, 1. May we invite everyone for a quick toast in 3, 2, 1. Come by! Ladies and gentlemen, the ceremony that we have witnessed represents an opening to harmony and good fortune for the contract package 104 of the Metro Manila Subway Project. Please celebrate with us and have a taste of the sake. And there you have it, everyone. Thank you, Mr. President. May we request His Excellency and his companions to proceed to the stage. Good morning again, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the groundbreaking ceremony of the Contract Package 104 of the Metro Manila Subway Project. Operating here soon will be the Ortigas and Shaw stations, which will be constructed by the Tokyo Tobishima Megawide joint venture in 5 to 6 years' time. Now Filipinos will experience the convenience of travel in Metro Manila through the subway. To formally begin our program, may we call on the City Mayor of Pasig, Honorable Victor Maria Regis Soto, to deliver his welcoming remark.
Magandang umaga po, His Excellency President Bongbong Marcos. Magandang umaga po sa inyo. To His Excellency Koshikawa Kazuhiko, to our Senators, Senator J.V. Ejercito, Senator Grace Poe, Senator Mark Villar, to Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin, DOTR Secretary Jaime Bautista, SAP Anton Lagdameo, JICA Chief Representative Mr. Takema Sakamoto, to all of our friends and guests from the national government, the local governments, private sector, partners from the non-government sector, magandang umaga po and welcome to the City of Pasig. Kinagagalak ko pong maging bahagi at maging saksi ng groundbreaking ceremony na ito. Kami po, I believe I speak for the City of Pasig and the citizens of Pasig when I say that we have been really looking forward to this. Sabik na po kami na magkaroon ng subway at we are so happy. We are more than happy and excited na meron pong dalawang istasyon na nandito po sa lungsod ng Pasig, Ortigas North and Ortigas South. We look forward to the day that we will be able to walk to the subway station and ride a subway going to the airport, going to Commonwealth, to BGC, at marami pa pong iba. And we are confident that under this administration and under the leadership of President Marcos, that the construction of this subway will be very smooth. Asahan po ninyo na ang lokal na pamahalaan ng Pasig ay nandito para suportahan ang programa and we will do everything that we can. Yung iba medyo kinakabahan po sa traffic dahil sa pagsara ng Meralco Avenue, pero ito naman po ay panandaliang sakripisyo para sa mas maliwanag na kinabukasan, konting sakripisyo po ngayon para sa ginhawa, para sa kaginhawaan pagdating ng bukas. Maraming salamat, congratulations sa ating lahat.
Thank you so much, Mayor Soto. Now, may we call on the Ambassador of Japan to the Philippines to give us his message, His Excellency Kazuhiko Koshikawa.
His Excellency President Ferdinando Marcos, Honorable Senators, Honorable Secretary Jaime Bautista, Honorable Mayor Victor Soto, distinguished guests, and ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. Magandang umaga po. I'm pleased to join President Ferdinando Marcos, Secretary Bautista, and Honorable Senators and Mayor Soto in this groundbreaking ceremony for Contract Package 104 of the Metro Manila Subway Project. Today's groundbreaking is such a good indicator that our infrastructure cooperation is gaining much momentum under the President Marcos administration's Build Better More policies. I'd like to express my sincere gratitude to the President Marcos and Secretary Bautista for dedicated effort and strong leadership. The Metro Manila Subway, as a project of the century, as my colleague Sakamoto said, is very much in line with Japan's aim to support the Philippines' upper middle income goal and post-pandemic recovery. This firm commitment was reiterated by no less than the Prime Minister, our Prime Minister Kishida, in his recent meeting with His Excellency President Marcos in New York. Indeed, the Philippine dream of first ever subway is no longer an elusive one. after 50 years of no progress. It will enhance connectivity in Metro Manila by reducing travel time between Quezon City and Naya Terminal 3 and create around 60,000 jobs. With the Philippines economy now on track to full recovery, I'm hopeful this project would help advance the country's path to pre-pandemic growth levels and even greater. As we press on toward these common goals, a bilateral cooperation is fast and sure model is here to stay. With the full support of state-of-the-art Japanese technologies and skilled experts, the Philippines can be certain that Japan will continue to cooperate until this Filipino dream turns from a blueprint into reality. Last but not least, I wish for the safety of the Japanese Filipino contractors and all the related persons. Maraming salamat po, mabuhay kayong lahat.
Thank you so much, His Excellency Koshikawa. And now, may we call on the Secretary of the Department of Transportation, Secretary Jaime Bautista, for the project briefing with audio-visual presentation and to introduce our guest of honor.
Your Excellency, President Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos Jr., distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Mr. President, I am pleased to present to you government's most ambitious railway project, the Metro Manila Subway Project. Today, we are breaking ground for the construction of two major subway stations, the Ortigas and Shaw Boulevard stations. This massive infrastructure project, being continued by this administration, will be the crown jewel of the Philippine mass transit system once operational. Allow me to breeze through the project's salient points. Metro Manila's first subway will be the first underground railway in the country. Entire length will be 33.1 kilometers with 17 stations. It can accommodate more than 519,000 passengers a day using 8-car train sets. Each train set can fit as many as 2,242 passengers. Passenger waiting time at the station will only be 5 minutes. The subway will be run from Valenzuela City to Bicutan. Travel time from Valenzuela to Bicutan will just be 45 minutes. A 30.37 hectare train depot will be built in Valenzuela. Construction is estimated to create more than 18,000 jobs. Total project cost is pegged at 488.47 billion pesos to be sourced through a loan from the Japan International Cooperation Agency. The whole subway will connect with different existing and planned railway network. It will interconnect at North Avenue with LRT 1, MRT 3, MRT 7, and the Grand Common Station. It will also connect with LRT 2 at Anonas Station. It will also interconnect with the North-South commuter rail, particularly at two Philippine National Railway stations at the Senate DepEd Station in Taguig and the FTI station at Parañaque. We expect the subway to be operational by 2028. We are most grateful to the Japan International Cooperation Agency for their funding support to these and other projects of the Department of Transportation. We are proud to showcase this game-changing project to the President through the ceremonial groundbreaking of two subway stations. The subway will not only provide comfort and convenience but also generate jobs. It will also be safe, affordable, and accessible. The Transportation Department is committed to pursue this project to its grand completion. Mr. President, we are running at full speed on this project. We owe it to the commuting public. At this point, may I invite everyone to watch an audiovisual presentation showing the highlights of the subway project that I just mentioned. Thank you and good morning.
The Metro Manila Subway Project, the Philippines' first underground railway, is the realization of a 50-year dream that started with the 1973 Urban Transport Study in the Manila metropolitan area, with its construction finally commenced in 2019. Financing has been secured from the government of Japan through the Japan International Cooperation Agency, or JICA, with the first two tranches of official development assistance loans amounting to 358 billion Japanese yen having been signed in March 2018 and February 2022. Spanning 33 kilometers and 17 stations, the Metro Manila Subway Project will cut down travel time between Quezon City and NAIA from 1 hour 10 minutes to 35 minutes. With a fleet of 38-car train set, it is expected to serve 519,000 passengers daily. The first subway will have its operational speed of 80 kilometers per hour and maximum speed of 120 kilometers per hour. Full speed ahead. The construction of Metro Manila Subway's first four stations, East Valenzuela, Quirino Highway, Tandang Sora, and North Avenue stations, as well as the 30-hectare depot at Valenzuela, continues with the 2 out of 19 tunnel boring machines already lowered, currently being assembled, and will be ready for launching by the end of this year. Contract packages for electromechanical systems and rolling stocks also have been signed, with a mock-up train already here in the Philippines and the first train set currently being manufactured in Japan. On September 2022, the Civil Works contract packages for the Quezon Avenue, East Avenue, Anonas, and Camp Aguinaldo stations have also been awarded, while the remaining civil contract packages for the stations in Taguig, Parañaque, and Pasay are expected to begin procurement before the end of the year. Now, following the contract signing last May 5, 2022, Tokyo Tobishima Megawide Joint Venture will commence the works of Contract Package 104 to construct Ortigas and Shaw Boulevard stations that will connect Camp Aguinaldo Station from Quezon City to Kalayaan Avenue Station in Taguig, targeted to be operational by 2028. This is the Metro Manila Subway Project. This is the future of the railway sector, and we shall continue, expand, and confidently build various infrastructure projects to provide safe, comfortable, reliable, and accessible transportation system to the Filipino people.
The backbone of an economy is its infrastructure. We must keep the momentum and aspire to build better, more.